Good morning, you guys. Happy Thanksgiving. I decided to do a Thanksgiving vlog. I got my gel braids, you know, struggle braids. But it is 11, what time is it? 11:25, and I am going to clean up my living room, take a shower, do my makeup, which is gonna be, I don't know if it's gonna be a chit chat get ready with me, but it's like a get ready with me holiday edition. I don't know, something like that. But we're gonna do a vlog today because I just feel like vlogging, and yeah. So yeah, I'm probably gonna clean the living room and the kitchen just because they both need to be cleaned. So I'm gonna set you guys up there while I... All right, guys, it is 1:03 and I finally got done cleaning. So my kitchen is clean. Just got done doing dishes. I sweeped. My living room, which is pretty much clean. This office desk area, yeah, we're not gonna talk about it. Put my shoes some kind of order. This is always a mess. My bathroom, clean. Okay, excuse me, but bathroom is clean. And then my bedroom is, it's okay. Like this part, I folded all my blankets. That over there, it's like my summer clothes. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with that yet, but I'm gonna do something. And then my makeup desk is all I have left. So right now I'm actually just gonna call my friend whom I'm spending, what? It's Mare. You guys saw her on my girl chat. So I'm gonna see what time I need to be there so I can like sit down, do my makeup, do my chit chat, get ready with me. And then go over there, and I'm gonna be vlogging today, and I'm also hoping to get a girl chat out of this also. So we're gonna just multitask, and I hope I get it all done at once, because that's funny, she just texted me. I'm gonna call her because she said 6:30, so what am I gonna do till then? She is the worst with her phone ever. So I have a long time, but I'm going to visit my cousin. So I'm gonna spend some time on my phone, not gonna lie, just a little bit. And then I'm gonna get in the shower and I'm gonna do my chit chat, get ready with me, and then I will be back to see you guys. So see y'all later. Hey guys, so I left my house. I took a shower, changed in some comfy clothes. I was trying to go to the beauty supply store because I ran out of setting spray, and I don't have any lashes, but they're closed. So I have to go to Walmart, and I hope it's not a nightmare over there. So yeah, that's about it. It's really hot. So guys, I was filming a, let me shut the door. I was filming a chit chat get ready with me, and I don't know what I did to my face, but like I think I may have touched something and ended up rubbing my hands with it. I don't know how I'm gonna hold this, but basically my face got irritated and it hurt like to put on makeup. So I just kept my eyebrows and then just changed my wig, and then I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. So it's a long sleeve turtleneck, a long green cardigan, and then my ripped Fashion Nova jeans. So that's what I'm wearing. It's my Thanksgiving fit. I'm so annoying. But yeah, so that's about it. Still have an hour to go before I go over to mark this house, so I'll be waiting. I mean, just gonna abuse Snapchat. I got back on there just for today. We'll see how I feel tomorrow. I might delete it again. You know, Virgos are bipolar. We never know. Can we talk about your outfit though? How cute.
Oh, do you like it?
Yes. So cute.
No.
No.
No, Mom, don't do that.
She's here. I told you guys earlier.
Yeah.
I think I told them that we were gonna do a mukbang.
It's your guys' mid.
It's your girl.
It's your girl mid. What's up? What it
But
do?
yeah, we're gonna do a Sudanese mukbang, Thanksgiving edition.
Thanksgiving Day with my beautiful friends.
I'm so excited.
I
Thank
can't
you
wait.
for coming.
Macy's
Much
coming
needed.
over and she needs to hurry up because we're dying
I
of
know.
hunger.
I'm so hungry.
like I'm
So,
starving.
Let's go hang out, chill while we wait for her. We'll see you guys later. Bye.